Yesterday also I have seen many of you could not able to get me the answers, and I have told you. And few of them, yes, they are very good. They are giving me appropriate answers. Their answers are also right. We have evaluated them also, and accordingly marks are also allocated, because as far as our CE2 is concerned, that is purely based on project and assignment. Project, I told you from the beginning, you create your own research. To start your own research problem, do the review of literature. I mean, make the objective of research why you are doing those kind of research. And at the same time, then you go with different hypotheses. Make your own questionnaire. See, day before yesterday also I have shown you one example of my student, you know, how he started his research work, Vasai Virar reason, what are the perception of a person to invest in mutual fund. Okay, I have given you all these examples for you to understand, to apply. But unfortunately, today none of you have really applied them. Otherwise, you would have come with your research title, with your sir, I have done these many review, or I mean other steps which I am stating from the beginning to take it by you all, and apply those learning which you have learned over a period of time in research methodology subject. Several time I am asking you all, because as far as syllabus is concerned, we have already done those part of syllabi. I have already shown it to you. See, these are few examples which I would like to show in front of you. How the research goes basically. I think several times I've given you this example. Study of investor behavior towards mutual fund investment with reference to Vasai Virar City. Yes or no? So this was for MPhil project. Just now my student has appeared for the exam. I have told you how we have segregated the objective, I mean title with objective, with hypothesis, with questionnaire. Okay, these are the tables. Across world, what is the condition of mutual fund? What is the condition of mutual fund assets in India? What is the age of respondent, gender of respondent? These all were the different tables. These are the charts. And this is actually the entire thesis index. So when we talk about basics, these all elements should be there. I don't expect you to, of course, your semester 6 project should be like this. But as if now, I don't expect you go in so much of depth. He has made one paper also that I will show it to you. But I'm just telling you this is how the research goes. What are the factors which influence any person when they try to invest in mutual fund? These are the facts and figures. Which are the countries whereby maximum asset is there in terms of mutual fund? And then we will see what is the position of India. In India, what is the per capita income and how much the mutual fund investment by them? This is how you have to consolidate it, your research aspect, and then you try to give the importance, how important this research what we are doing related to investment behaviors regarding mutual fund. Because if the person is investing in mutual fund, it is not investment only by them, it is also the value addition by the person to the society at large. Because you must be knowing, an investment by one is income by others. These are the different way through which people invest as far as Indian populations are concerned. These are the overviews. How the mutual fund industries has grown up. These are the different types of mutual fund. This all should be there. What are the SEBI guidelines? Then what is the position of Vasai Virar demographically? What is the financial distribution of those population? This was the introductory part. Then it will come review of literature. And honestly speaking, this all we got it from different reviews. We did the review of Vasai Virar Taluka and we got how many is rich, how many is middle class, how many is in upper class, how many of in poor class, etc., etc. As per the record available, as per the secondary data available. And then slowly and gradually all review of literature, like Mr. Pritam and Singhania has done in 2013. They have pointed out that Indian financiers generally invest over a period of 2 to 3 years. And also there are prosperity to invest in fixed deposit due to safekeeping attachment. So what Mr. Kothari has done, it is the outcome of this. Kaveri and Bindu has done in 2017. They have proven regarding. So no one has done on Vasai and Virar Taluka regarding mutual fund investment. So that gives me the research gap. Okay. These are from international journals. And then we start the methodology. What is the objective, hypothesis, universe of data, type of data, sample size, sampling method. This all will be your chapter 3 also. Go to the syllabus, here also we will find here. These all elements will be there, 3 and 4, which practically people apply when they do their own research. What are the objectives, why they have done, this all you have seen. What are the research gaps, why we are doing, because we found that many of them they have done, but they have not done in the Vasai Virar Taluka region. What are the importance of study, why we should do this study, what are the limitation of study. How the data has been collected. These are the tables of data. And this all they got it from the questionnaire. I think I have very clearly stated you questionnaire, whereby they have clearly mentioned which questions are pertaining to which hypothesis. This is how you have to do it. And then finally you have to apply them for analyzing the data. Finally they have, these are the basic data. And then finally you must have taken its application for proving his hypothesis also. Testing their hypothesis. These are the different methods, statistical tools they have applied to test their hypothesis. These are the averages what they have got. This is the chi-square what they have got, and finally the interpretation after getting the chi-square value. This is the actual flow of entire research, how we go. Then slowly and gradually all will be considered, and finally you are going to come up with certain suggestions, certain interpretation, recommendation, and finally conclusion. Finally you have to conclude. It will take another, he has done on SIP among the salaried employee of Mumbai region. How the systematic investment plan has to be done. Same way you will find entire research goes. Facts and figures, how many SIP we do. All chapterization also will be the same. It will take another example of research. Then one we have done in accounting information system, AIS. You must be aware about MIS. How AIS is very fruitful for Indian companies, corporate, and they are utilizing it for their. And everywhere you find it is very important that we should have plagiarism, and plagiarism should be less than 10%. Without that, it will not be acceptable. Again, you will find the flow will remain same. How the AIS assist the people at large, what is the growth. Here we have created few models also. AIS model also we have invented, and we have given for the corporate to use those models in their corporate houses. These are the models which we have created. This is a different kind of approach which is required when you do the study, when you do the research. And all has a different spectrum, all in a different area, all in different. Apart from this, there are other research also which I have done on Vasai Virar Taluka region. How the different what it is it's called archaeological place, what they are investing and what they are getting as a return. So these things are required when you are doing the research, and it is very clearly stated in your syllabus also. not only we should read, but it is also we should apply. Basically, application is important. So by now you should have completed this part. By now you must have completed two chapters, rather third chapter also. How to collect the data, how we will frame the objective, what would be the questionnaire, etc., etc. But it is not happening. Unfortunately, it is not happening. But I expect after your internal it should be done. And final marks will be given to those students who will get me their research title, I mean, their objective. You something in research you have to do it. Then only you will get marks. So let me ask few questions as we are doing since last 2 3 lectures. It will be practice for you all. Let me see how much answer I am getting from you all. Today is 26. The question is applied research is result oriented, knowledge oriented, customer oriented, or resources oriented. Applied research is result oriented, knowledge oriented, customer oriented, or resource oriented. Applied research. What is your right answer? Can I have your answer, please? Once again, I'm repeating the question. Applied research is result oriented, knowledge oriented, customer oriented, or resource oriented? Yes. 8246 path. Right answer. It is result oriented. 8246. Next. Which hypothesis established which hypothesis establishes no relation among variables? Which hypothesis establishes no relation among variables? Null hypothesis, mixed hypothesis, complex hypothesis, type 1 hypothesis. Which hypothesis established no relation amongst variables? Null hypothesis, mixed hypothesis, complex hypothesis, type 1 hypothesis. Yes, right answer. I got it from 8132. It's null hypothesis. H0. 8132. Okay, next. variables which cannot be influenced are called. Variables which cannot be influenced are called dependent variable, independent variable, continuous variable, complex variable. Variable which cannot be influenced are called dependent, independent, continuous, complex. Which are not influenced. याद करो, I have given so many examples. Yes. The right answer we got it from 8110 and 8139. It is independent variable. Next, primary data is economical, costly, free, complex. Primary data is economical, costly, free, complex. Primary data. Tell me, yesterday only we were discussing. Once again, I am repeating the question. Primary data is economical, costly, free, complex. What is the right answer? Yes, I once again I got the answer from 8110, 8154. It's costly because you have to go collect, you have to invest everything. Yesterday only we were discussing. 8110, 8154. Observation method of gathering the data. Observation method gather which data? Primary data, secondary data, simple data, free data. Observation method is gathers which kind of data? Primary, secondary, simple, free. Observation method. Observation method gather which data? Primary, secondary, simple, free. Yeah, that is the question. Which kind of data? Primary, secondary, simple और free? ऑब्जर्व करते तो किस टाइप का डेटा मिलता है आपको? Yes, the right answer is primary, and 3 student has got me this answer. 8132. जो बच्चे दे रहे वही आंसर दे रहे. 8246, 8154, 81. 8156. Which survey has poor response? टेलीफोनिक सर्वे, कल भी मैंने बताया था आप लोगों को. Which survey has poor response? Telephonic, mail, email, letter. Which survey has poor response? Telephone, mail, email, letter. Think and tell me the answer. Unfortunately, all of you are wrong. Letter, it is confirmed. Email, when we send, hardly people see how many mail we kept it in junk. याद है? जंक में जाता है, ट्रैश में कर देते हैं. द राइट आंसर इज ईमेल. चलो, नो वन हैज गॉट द marks for it. Next, research design act as a board of research design act as a board dash of research work. Outcome, outline, range, culture. Research design act as a board dash of research work. Outcome, outline, range, culture. Research design. कल भी अपनी बात हुई थी. Yes, yes, absolutely right answer. 8110, 8107, 8139, 8156, 8154, 8107, 10, 54, 56, 39, 9, 56. Eight two four two and 8246. So I was talking, it is giving the outline, how you do the research. Absolutely right. Many students got the marks also and their answers were also right. Next. Research design termed as dash document. Research design is termed as dash document. Legal, business, reference, honest. Research design is termed as which kind of document? Legal document or business document or reference document or honest document? Yes. Again, 8110, 8139, 8132, 8156. 81568132. 8154.